Guys, it's Fonzie with DipYourCar.com, world famous peelable auto paints. Now, I was having a discussion with a customer on Instagram the other day, and they were complaining about not being able to pick between wanting to do purple or blue pearl on their car. And I said, look, dude, why don't you just do Blurple? It's right in the middle. And they were like, what the hell is Blurple? So I went on YouTube and I was looking for the Blurple video to send to them and realized we never did a video on the Blurple pearl. We've had that pearl for years now, and we've never done a video on it, and in my opinion, it's one of the sweetest pearls that we have. So today, new color on the DYC Mustang, Blurple pearl. Sit tight, you're gonna love it. Enjoy the video. So this is the Blurple pearl on the Mustang, and it's exactly what it sounds like. It's not quite a true blue, it's not quite a true purple, it's right in between, and it looks awesome. We're gonna take it outside right now so you guys can check it out. If you wanna do your vehicle in Blurple pearl, super simple, click right up here. It'll bring you to the Blurple pearl car kits, and it will include everything you need to get the job done. You just have to select your vehicle size, and that's it. If you have any questions at all, email us CustomerService@DipYourCar.com, chat with us directly on the website, or call in and speak to a customer service rep. It's Fonzie. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's take it outside. I'll see you on the next one.